today we're heading to Baler. Hopefully hindi ganun
I woke up this morning on the wrong side of the bed. The hazy sunrise wraps a veil around my head. I can't get motivated. The swimming thoughts are drowning in my head. And if by some coincidence I do just what they said, and the morning blue is warning you, the avalanche is storming through in the dawn.
Good morning, and it's a beautiful Wednesday morning dito sa Baler. So, it took us 7 hours. Tama ba, Jess? May kasama ako dito, si Jess, nag-work. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo siya. Okay, anyway. So, it took us 7 hours drive from Manila to Baler. So, I was not able to vlog last night kasi vlog pala. Syempre, busy ako sa pagdadrive. But for now, guys, I'm not sure kung ano yung activity namin after my work kasi I'm actually working as of now up until 3 p.m. So, I'll show you guys itong accommodation na kinuha namin. I'm not sure kung... Do you remember how much is it per night? Magkano per night, Jess? May kausap ako. Jess, magkano per night?
Here?
Yes, magkano per night?
I think it's 2,000.
Ah! 2,000 ba? I will confirm the price, guys, kasi as far as I can remember, it's 1,500 per night. So, pretty decent accommodation as I can, I have to say, pretty decent. And affordable naman yung price kasi, ilan ba kami? 6 naman kami dito. I believe it's around 1,500 to 2,000 per night. I'll confirm that later. And this one is, I would say, like 5 or around 7 minutes sa Sabang, yung pinaka-famous surfing spot dito sa Baler. We'll definitely check that place later on, guys. But for now, I'll show you how the place looks like. Good morning, Chloe!
Hi, good morning! I just woke up,
Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Meron naman siyang kitchen area. There you go. That's the kitchen area. Alright, so pwede kang magluto dito. And of course, meron siyang parking area, which is really good. Very spacious. So, aside from that, very important sa amin is the workplace. Kasi 3 of us are working. We'll be working. Of course, we need a very good space. And, hi Jess! Good morning!
Hi!
Yan. Kasama ko siya. So, dalawa na lang kaming natitira dito. Yung iba, I'll show you guys later sa bedroom kasi parang busy yata sila. Ay, busy sila pala. Wait lang. Mamaya na nga yung bedroom. Okay, so ito yung room namin. May natutulog, nang-i-istorbo lang ako. So, it can accommodate 6 people. Ito yung bed. Ang gulo? Ang gulo ng bed. Charan! And then, ay, si Mau pala, yung kala ko si Jess. Restroom. Mamaya na yung restroom. May tao.
Kita na si Chan.
Andito ba si Jess? Ayan. May tao pala din. Hi! Hello! So, nandito na kami sa Sabang Beach. So, 5th time? Tama ba?
My 100th.
Hindi nga, pang ilang beses mo na to?
Third.
Pang 3rd time mo na to. Bakit lagi kang bumabalik sa Baler?
Because the place is so accommodating.
Yes.
And the people
What
are
else?
so honest.
Wow. In terms of honesty about what? Price?
Yeah, prices.
Okay.
What else? Change.
Yes. Pero yung lugar, do you like the chill vibe
Yeah,
of
it's
Baler?
peaceful and
Jonan! First time mo ba dito sa Baler?
Oo.
So, anong masasabi mo dito sa Baler?
Madaming tao. Actually, first time ko maka-encounter na ganito kadaming tao.
Yes! Oh, pero gusto mo naman yung place.
Oo. Ganda yung place.
Are you going to recommend this place
Oo.
sa mga friends mo? Wala. Okay, so just an update guys. Andito kami ngayon sa Baler Surfer Grill. Okay, so very famous to. Ito yung may tawag parang ano bang kotse yun? Just Volkswagen ba tawag? Volkswagen na yung parang Beetle Volkswagen. I'll show you that guys ang itsura na. Very famous siya dito sa Baler. Ang pinaka in-order dito is yung liempo or either yung liempo or yung grilled chicken. However, yung in-order ko pala is grilled fish. Kasi I'm lessening my consumption. I don't wanna eat kasi anything na red meat. So ayan, so grilled fish ako today. And yun, we're just waiting for our order. Hopefully dumating siya in about 15 to 20 minutes kasi gutom na kami. Alright? So yun lang muna. Anong masasabi mo sa taste? Nagustuhan mo ba?
It's Java rice, pero more of a turmeric rice.
Ah, talaga? So healthy. Sigurado ka? Parang feeling ko butter, ano lang yan.
No, Java rice.
Ah, Java rice. How was it? Okay, so may mga bisita po kami ngayon. Na-interrupt yung aming live lesson.
Good morning.
Live lesson. Ano ba ginawa natin? Live lesson. Sharing experience.
I saw it and I captured it
I
myself.
captured the moment. So, ayun. So, dito si Chloe. There you go. For Jonan! Jonan, mag-hi ka naman. Siya yung kanyang one and only love you.
Sabi ko, sarang tao. Nagpabago kay Chloe.
Actually, I totally agree. I totally agree. Hindi kasi si Chloe yung tipo parang mamaya ko nasasabihin na dito si Jonan. Joke lang, pero mabait si.
Ano ba to?
Minsan lang. Minsan lang pagtulog. Ang dark mo dito. Ayan, may pumuputi ka na.
Ewan ko dito kay Jess. Sige, I'll help. Dito. So, I'm gonna eat left.
From the next door neighbor. Narinig mo lang. So, yung in-order namin is ano ulit in-order natin? Baylerview pizza, something. Baler Supreme.